everybody, welcome to Stitchin Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Amy Navarro and I am so excited today because I get to show you what you're going to be getting for your month one of the Steampunk Fairytale Tula Pink. Okay, so this Block of the Month program is running currently, and if you are signed up, we are so excited to have you, and I get to show you the pre-cut fabric that is Tula Pink, and it's beautiful, and this quilt is going to be gorgeous, and here we go. Okay, so in your package, all of your fabrics are labeled and pre-cut. All of the different beautiful Tula basics here. Look at all these gorgeous colors, guys, and your bigger pieces. This is your background, and then we're going to send this little beautiful add-in because your pattern, I'm going to get to in a minute, is huge, but this just kind of shows you what you're actually going to be making in your month one on the inside and gives you a full color on the front so you know what you're going to be working towards. So in addition to your pre-cut already labeled beautiful Tula Pink fabrics and your insert, you're going to get a welcome letter and of course your pattern. So this is a Judy Niemeyer pattern. And it's huge because it comes, of course, with all your pieces, paper on the inside for your paper piecing. I'm not going to take those out because I don't know if I'll be able to get them back in if I'm being honest. So this guy's going to finish up at 99 by 99 square. It's a queen size quilt. And it is, of course, paper piecing because it's Judy Niemeyer. All right, guys, my favorite and most exciting thing about this quilt is that we, of course, are a Quiltworx certified shop, and we have Quiltworx certified instructor Tina Lutters here that is going to show you and video for you a tutorial and go through this entire quilt with you. She's going to show you how to paper piece, how to put this quilt together. You're going to get it in a link. It's going to be a YouTube live, and I'm sure you'll be able to go back and rewatch it, of course, but she's going to teach you step by step how to put this quilt together, and that is wonderful. I love Miss Tina. She is so good at Quiltworx. It's just her passion. You can tell it through her teaching, and she is a wonderful instructor, guys. You're gonna just love it, okay? So I'm also gonna show you our welcome letter. This is going to give you the name of the quilt, of course, Steampunk Fairytale on the front. The day of the month that this is going to mail out to you each month, that it's a 6-month long program, which includes the top and the backing fabric for your quilt. So get you some batting and you'll have a completed quilt when you get done. And it gives you some other information about what's on the inside here. So we're going to open this welcome letter up. You're going to see a full color photo here on the left-hand side. It's gorgeous. And you're going to see what your quilt's going to look like at the end. And then over here, you're going to have your QR codes. These are your standard ones that we give in all of our welcome letters. So that includes your Facebook group. You're going to want to join that. I'm sure we're going to send the link for the videos there that Miss Tina is going to film for us. Your fabric key for the online fabrics. These are all labeled for you already. It's super simple. But if you want an online copy to go back and reference, that's where you're going to find that. And then it's going to give you a subscription to our newsletter QR code next. That's important for you to sign up for because it's going to give you when all of our block of the months come out for the next month that are starting, if you want to sign up for them. All of the other things we do here at Stitchin Heaven, we have such a wonderful time when we have sales in the stores, retreats, all kinds of events. We have Sewing Expo coming up. We do fun things all the time. You can travel with us, take a cruise, do all of the things here at Stitchin Heaven, and that newsletter keeps you informed on what we're doing so that you can join us. And then the last QR code is if you need to update any billing information or any address, if you're going to move or you're staying somewhere in a house for the winter or the summer. I know a few folks that do that, or if you need to update your credit card information, anything like that. On the back is some general Stitchin Heaven information. This is going to give you our address so you can come visit us. our store hours, and our customer service phone number, email, and their time of business. We do have live people that answer the phone here at Stitch in Heaven. They are wonderful ladies, and they will help you in any way that they can. We have a 100% happiness guarantee here at Stitch in Heaven, so we are going to make sure that you are happy. All right, so this is your month 1 package for your Steampunk Fairytale by, in Tula Pink fabric, and I want you to join our Facebook group, and you'll see me again over there. All right, guys, y'all have a wonderful time. See you later.